கற்றுக் கரவை கணங்கள் பல கறந்து.
Now, waking up the sixth girl, Sri Andal hails the greatness of a wealthy cowherd, Gopala, that after milking single-handedly so many groups of cows that live with their calves,
செற்றார் திரளழிய சென்று செருச்செய்யும்,
and he who destroys the enemy's strength by taking up the fight himself first, even before the enemies initiate, as they have been sent by Kamsa to kill Krishna.
குற்றம் ஒன்றில்லாத கோவலர்தம் பொற்கொடியே.
Such a faultless Gopala's beautiful daughter you are. Your beauty is like that of a golden creeper.
புற்றரவல்குல் புனமையிலே போதராய்.
And your slim hip is like that of a snake that enters its hole, shrinking its body, and your beauty is parallel to that of an elegant peacock. Please come here soon.
சுற்றத்து தோழிமார் எல்லாரும்,
all of your neighboring playmates,
வந்து நின் முற்றம் புகுந்து முகில்வண்ணன் பேர் பாட,
have come together to your veranda to sing the names of our Kannan, who is of the deep dark blue colored clouds.
சிற்றாதே பேசாதே செல்வ பெண்டாட்டினி.
Even after hearing our cries, we know that you are a wealthy girl possessing so much Krishna Bhakta that you are not bothered about our company, so you would not even move or even talk to us.
எற்று குரங்கும் பொருளேலோர் எம்பாவாய்.
If that is not true, what is the meaning for you to meaninglessly lie down in bed? Instead, come and join us in our Pavai Nombu, oh my dear girl.
கற்று கரவை கணங்கள் பல கறந்து, கற்று